Optimizing graphics settings in FIFA 24 can enhance your gaming experience by improving performance and visual quality. Follow these steps to adjust your settings effectively. Step 1. Access graphics settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the main menu. From there, go to the Settings option and select Graphics Settings to access the available options for customization. Step 2. Adjust resolution. In the Graphics Settings menu, find the Resolution option. Set it to your monitor's native resolution for the best visual clarity. If performance is an issue, consider lowering the resolution slightly to improve frame rates. Step 3. Configure texture quality. Locate the texture quality setting. Set it to high or ultra if your system can handle it. If you experience lag, switch to medium or low to enhance performance without significantly sacrificing visual quality. Step 4. Modify anti-aliasing. Find the anti-aliasing option, which smooths out jagged edges. Set it to TA temporal anti-aliasing for a good balance between performance and visual fidelity. If you need more performance, you can turn it off or select a low setting. Step 5. Enable VSync. Look for the VSync option in the graphics settings. Enabling VSync can help eliminate screen tearing, providing a smoother gaming experience. However, if you notice input lag, consider disabling it for better responsiveness. By following these steps, you can optimize the graphics settings in FIFA 24 to suit your preferences and system capabilities. Enjoy your enhanced gaming experience.